Hey guys, this is Mike. How's it going? Today I am dropping in to share a very exciting stock pick. I'm calling it my number one cannabis stock for 2019. Now, before I jump into it, I want to go over two quick things. Number one, what does my number one stock mean? Well, it's not an exact science, but in the short run, it's a stock that I believe has a high probability of outperforming the broader cannabis sector in 2019. And in the long run, a company with a lot of growth potential. The second thing I want to go over is I have done this stock pick the last 2 years for 2017 and 2018. In 2017, my number one cannabis stock was Canopy. And Canopy has done great since then. I think shares are up about 435%. In 2018, my number one pick was a company called MYM Pharmaceuticals out of Canada. This company share price did not do well at all. Shares fell about 80 or 85% in 2018. So the point I'm making here is that it is wise for investors to always take all stock picks with a grain of salt, and a healthy amount of skepticism is always a good thing in the stock market. Okay, now that we've set it up, let's go ahead and jump into it. Australia has quickly emerged as one of the most promising cannabis markets in the world. Australia legalized medical cannabis in 2016. In 2018, Australia became the fourth country in the world to legalize cannabis exports. So what you can see is Australia is clearly positioning itself to be a leader in the high growth global cannabis industry. This is the macro level backdrop for the company that I'm going to share with you right now. This company is an early leader in Australia's high growth cannabis industry, and I'm going to share 3 reasons why I like this company so much. Number one, it has an incredibly valuable first mover advantage. It was able to secure a hard to get permit from the Australian government that enables this company to legally grow and sell cannabis. So right there, that first mover advantage is a huge plus for this company. The second thing I like about this promising young cannabis company is that its largest shareholder is Canopy Growth Corp, the largest cannabis company in the world. So this gives this Australian cannabis company a very powerful ally. And finally, the third reason I like this Australian cannabis company is because, similar to Canopy, it is rapidly expanding into international markets. For example, it is doing a lot of work in South America. Okay, so now that we understand the macro level trend, the high level trend in the Australian cannabis market, and the reasons why I like this company so much, now I'm going to reveal the ticker symbol and the company. The company I'm talking about is AusCann Holdings. This is a company headquartered in Australia. Shares trade on the Australian Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol AC8. Shares also trade on US exchanges in OTC markets under the ticker symbol ACNNF. If you want updates on AusCann and some of our other favorite cannabis stocks, go ahead and sign up for our weekly newsletter, and we'll tell you everything you need to know. See ya.